keep going down, Millie. Come on. Go. No, not over there. Millie, over here. Remember last time we came down here, Lily? It was all water. Probably mushrooms out here somewhere. Oh yeah. Damn. That got. Whoa. Go in there, Millie. Go inside there. Get in there. What's in there? What's in there? What's in there? What is that? Get it. Get it, Millie. Get it, girl. Hey, get in that hole. Millie, come on. Get it. Get it, Millie. It's okay. Is there anybody in there? Something's in there, Millie. Go get it. You scared? I fucking would be. That shit goes way back there. I bet a bear lives in there or something. Millie, are you stuck? Come on. There you go. Good girl. Did you find some truffles? Find the truffles. There it is. Come here. Come here. You stay close. Don't wander too far now, you hear? Don't drink that water! Hey! Don't drink that water.